Barbecue, or barbecue, is a popular cooking method that involves grilling and smoking meat over low, indirect heat. Here's a general guide on how to make barbecue, certainly. Here's a simple recipe for barbecue ribs with a tangy barbecue sauce. Ingredients: 2 racks of baby back ribs, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 2 teaspoons paprika, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 2 teaspoons onion powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 cup barbecue sauce, 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon honey. Instructions: preheat your grill. Prepare your grill for indirect heat. If you're using a charcoal grill, light the charcoal and let it burn until it turns gray with ash. For a gas grill, preheat it to medium-low heat. Prepare the ribs. Remove the membrane from the back of the ribs by loosening it with a butter knife and then pulling it off. This will help the flavors penetrate the meat better. Prepare the dry rub. In a small bowl, mix together the brown sugar, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, salt, and black pepper. Season the ribs. Sprinkle the dry rub evenly over both sides of the ribs, pressing it into the meat to adhere. Let the ribs sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes to allow the flavors to penetrate. Make the barbecue sauce. In a saucepan, combine the barbecue sauce, apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, and honey. Cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until the sauce is heated through and well combined. Grill the ribs. Place the ribs on the grill over indirect heat. Close the grill's lid and cook for about 2 to 2.5 hours, or until the meat is tender and starts to pull away from the bones. Rotate the ribs occasionally for even cooking. Glaze the ribs. During the last 15 minutes of cooking, brush the ribs with the barbecue sauce on both sides. Apply additional coats of sauce every 5 minutes, allowing each coat to caramelize slightly before adding the next. Rest and serve. Remove the ribs from the grill and let them rest for about 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute. Cut the ribs into individual servings and serve with additional barbecue sauce on the side. Feel free to adjust the seasoning and cooking time according to your taste and preference. Enjoy your delicious barbecue ribs.